Hi, welcome to Pennard Vets Sevenoaks. My name's Emma, I'm one of the registered veterinary nurses. This is our reception area. We have a dog area and a cat area, and then up on the landing is where we do all of our nursing clinics, so you tend to wait up there. We have our 3 consult rooms, and this is where the vets will examine your animals, give them their vaccinations and just a general health check. Okay. This is our consult room. The vet has everything in here that they need. They have the scales, they have treats, and various equipments to examine your animals. So in here we have the nurses room. This is where the nurses will do a monthly health check on your animals, apply advocates, and also give general advice that you may need. We also have the laser in here, which we will use for after operations to help healing process, or for arthritis. It can really help release the pain for the joints. Welcome to our hospital/prep area. We have our dental station over here, where we also have our dental x-rays. This is our sort of prep table where we get everything ready for the procedures to go through to theatre, and we also have our kennels for our day patients and our inpatients. This is our theatre. We have the table set up for our procedures for today. We have our anaesthetic circuits, and we also have an ECG machine, so we can keep an eye on how the heart is beating. We can take regular blood pressures and also check on the CO2. We also have our laparoscopic equipment over here. We have our screen for all of our laparoscopic space for the camera. We've arrived at our imaging room. In this part we do our ultrasounds, so we do cardiac scans as well as abdominal scans, and then we have our x-ray machine to take x-rays of the whole body. We have a lovely large isolation unit which is kept separate from our day patients and our inpatients. So in this room we have our kennels, and we also have a kitchen area so we can make up meals separate from the rest of the patients. We also have a hydrotherapy room. So in here we have our hydrotherapy specs who will work on different animals depending on what they need. Some of it can be for fitness, or some of it can be for rehab after orthopaedic surgery. We have different size harnesses so that she can support them whilst they're in the tank. 9 times out of 10 she is in the tank with them, or she'll have someone else in with her to hold them while she monitors from the outside. When we take bloods or samples, we bring them into this room. We have microscopes at the bottom where we can look at slides, whether it be blood or a smear or anything like that. We also have our staining equipment. We also have our blood machines. We have our haematology, our biochemistry, and also our centrifuge.